Hello, welcome to Just Maths Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at order of operations involving integers. First, we are going to look at what integers are. Integers are whole numbers, positive or negative, including zero. Okay, examples are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, let's look at the rules of the operation of integers. Number one, adding two positive numbers gives a positive result. Example, +3 plus 4, that will give you +7. That is your normal 3 plus 4 gives you 7. Okay. Number two, rule two, adding two negative numbers gives a negative result. Examples, -5 plus -2 will give us -7. Both are negative, so they give us negative results. Okay. Now let's look at rule 3, adding a positive and negatives. Subtract absolute value, take sign of the larger. Now, in this case, you just need to subtract the smaller from the bigger one, but take note of the sign. If the bigger number has the negative sign, here your answer will end up as negative. Okay, look at an example. +2 plus -7. Now, because the 7 is the largest number, we subtract 7 minus 2, and that gave us 5. And because the 7 has the negative sign, you fix the negative sign in front of the 5. So that gave us -5. Okay, let's look at another example. +4 plus -1. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. And because the 4 has the addition sign, so you fix the plus in front of the 3 as your answer. So whenever you're adding a negative and a positive number, first you consider the larger number, you subtract. Then if the larger number has the subtraction sign, you fix the subtraction sign in front of the answer you got, and that would be it. Now let's look at number 4 rule. Subtracting a negative is equal adding a positive. Okay, when you subtract two negatives, it equates you adding them up. Let's look at an example. 4 minus -1. Okay, 4 minus -1, that gives us +5, because that's minus and the minus, they are put together to make a plus, so it give you +5. Okay, let's look at rule number 5. This is the multiplication rule. It says when multiplying, same signs will give you a positive result. Same sign give you positive result. Let's look at an example. Now, if we have -3 times -4, or -3 times -4, that will give you +12. +12. Another example, +3 times +4 will give us +12 as well. That same sign gives us positive results. Now for the rule 6, when multiplying, different signs gives negative results. Different signs, like you have a positive and a negative number, it will end up being a negative result. Let's look at an example. If we have -4 times +3, that will give us -12. Another example, +5 times -7 will give us -35. So these are the rules for order of operation of integers. Okay. Now take note, the rule for division is similar to the rules of multiplication. They go hand in hand. They have the same rule. They follow the same rule. So far, these are the rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers. That's numbers that have negative and positive values. Okay, so I believe you have gotten the point on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. So till I come your way next time, don't stop learning.